Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for UPSC and IAS preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of technology, which is technology in agriculture, smart farming innovations. Technology has become a cornerstone of modern agriculture, ushering in a new era of smart farming innovations. For IAS and UPSC aspirants, understanding this transformative field is not just academically important, it's crucial for grasping the evolving challenges and opportunities in rural development, food security, and environmental sustainability. Smart farming, also known as precision agriculture, involves the use of advanced technologies to optimize the efficiency and productivity of agricultural practices. At its core, smart farming integrates tools like Internet of Things, IoT, devices, artificial intelligence, AI, drones, satellite imagery, and data analytics to address the complex demands of modern agriculture. Let's delve into some key innovations and their impact. One of the most groundbreaking technologies in agriculture is IoT. Imagine fields equipped with sensors that measure soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels in real time. These sensors allow farmers to determine exactly when and how much water or fertilizer is needed, reducing waste and enhancing crop yields. For example, drip irrigation systems equipped with IoT sensors can precisely deliver water to the roots of plants, ensuring optimal hydration while conserving this precious resource. Drones are another revolutionary tool in smart farming. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can survey large tracts of land in minutes, identifying issues like pest infestations, plant diseases, or uneven growth patterns. Farmers can use this data to take targeted actions, such as applying pesticides or nutrients only where they are needed. This not only saves costs but also minimizes the environmental impact of chemical usage. Satellite imagery and remote sensing technologies have also transformed agriculture. With these tools, farmers can access detailed information about weather patterns, soil health, and crop conditions over vast areas. In India, the use of satellite data has been instrumental in crop forecasting and disaster management. For instance, satellite-based monitoring can predict droughts or floods, enabling timely interventions to mitigate their effects. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in analyzing the massive amounts of data generated by these technologies. AI algorithms can predict crop yields, suggest optimal planting schedules, and even detect patterns that humans might overlook. For instance, AI-powered apps can guide farmers on the best crops to grow based on soil type, climate conditions, and market demand, helping them maximize profitability. Another key innovation is the use of automated machinery. From robotic harvesters to self-driving tractors, automation is reducing the labor-intensive nature of farming. These machines can work tirelessly and with greater precision, boosting productivity and reducing costs. For smallholder farmers in developing countries like India, government-supported initiatives can help make such technologies accessible and affordable. Blockchain technology is also making inroads into agriculture, particularly in supply chain management. By providing a transparent and tamper-proof record of transactions, blockchain can ensure fair pricing and traceability of produce. Farmers can receive direct payments for their products, bypassing intermediaries, while consumers can verify the authenticity and quality of what they purchase. Smart farming innovations are also addressing environmental challenges. Precision agriculture reduces the overuse of water, fertilizers, and pesticides, thereby minimizing their impact on ecosystems. Renewable energy technologies, like solar-powered irrigation systems, are helping farmers adopt sustainable practices while reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Additionally, vertical farming and hydroponics are emerging as solutions for urban agriculture, allowing crops to be grown in controlled environments with minimal land and water usage. However, the adoption of these technologies is not without challenges. One significant barrier is the digital divide. Many farmers, especially in rural India, lack access to the internet, smartphones, or technical knowledge needed to use these innovations effectively. Bridging this gap requires concerted efforts from the government, private sector, and civil society. Ethical considerations also come into play. As farming becomes increasingly data-driven, concerns about data privacy and ownership arise. Who owns the data collected by sensors and drones? How can farmers ensure that this data is used ethically and not exploited by corporations? Policymakers must address these questions to build trust and ensure equitable benefits. For UPSC aspirants, it is essential to understand the role of technology in achieving sustainable agricultural practices and addressing rural challenges. Questions on this topic often touch upon government schemes like the National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture, NMSA, or the role of technology in doubling farmers' incomes. Aspirants should also be familiar with international examples, such as how countries like Israel have revolutionized agriculture through drip irrigation and water management technologies. In conclusion, technology in agriculture is not just about increasing productivity, it is about creating a resilient, inclusive, and sustainable agricultural ecosystem. Smart farming innovations have the potential to address some of the most pressing issues of our time, from food security to climate change. However, their success depends on how well we can bridge the digital divide, ensure affordability, and address ethical concerns. For future administrators, understanding these dynamics is crucial, as agriculture remains the backbone of India's economy and a key area for policy intervention. At AskPrep, we are committed to equipping you with the knowledge and insights needed to excel in your UPSC journey. Remember, technology is not just a tool, it is a catalyst for change. By understanding its applications and implications, you are not only preparing for exams but also for the challenges of nation building. Thank you. This is AskPrep, your guide to mastering UPSC and IS preparation. Let's decode complex topics and simplify your journey to success.